dear brothers and sisters. The Lord gave us two wonderful reminders that hopefully we continue to embrace. Listen and follow His words, do His will, do good things, and you are like a man who built his house on sand. Ano man ang dumaan, patuloy na naging matibay. But then on the one hand, a stern warning, don't listen to my words, don't do this, don't do my will, do the otherwise, and you will be like a fool who built your house on sand. Dumaan na ang anumang unos, kaya patuloy ding babagsak ng todo-todo. What is it that we are all investing in life? What is it that we are all pounding on during the course of our years? Ano ba ang ating pinag-iipunan? Ano ba ang ating binubuong pundasyon sa buhay na ito? And we continue to hear today from the story of Abraham. Since the beginning of his life, his faith is one thing he is investing on. Patuloy niyang ibinibigay ang kanyang sarili, ipinagkakatiwala ang kanyang buhay at pananalig sa Diyos. And such faith bore the fulfillment of God to him. And once more, we continue to remind ourselves of this fact of what we are investing with. Yes, we are investing time for prayer. We are investing time for making ourselves or renewing ourselves. May pagkakataon na tila patuloy tayong nakikipaglaban para harapin ang magaganda at mga bagong kalooban natin. We continue to do good things. We continue to be faithful to who we are, to our vows, to people whom we are relating with, doing and listening and doing God's will. And hopefully, my dear brothers and sisters, we invest on these good and solid ground. Goodness in life and the God of our life. Without these two, it seems that we are investing on sand. Without these two, we are investing on things that will destroy us. Magandang tignan kung sa araw-araw ba ng buhay ko, ano ba ang aking itinatayo? Pananalig ba sa Diyos? Kabutihan ba sa Diyos? O ang kalimutan ng Diyos at ang hindi maging mabuti sa bawat tao? We are challenged then to live the goodness of our life and also to embrace the presence of God in our life. Matitibay na mga bato ang mga ito, so that when tragedy would come, realities of life will be there, we know that we are stepping on good ground. God is our solid and sure rock where we can stand. We invest on goodness. We invest always in our faith in God. And we know that we won't be disappointed and that we won't go wrong in our journey in life.